Good evening. I'm standing here just next to the nest. It's Thursday evening and I found a new boondocking spot. I went to Hillerød to talk to my friend, and on the way I found this spot. Um, I'll just show you. Sorry if it's gonna be a little bit shaky, but I don't have the gimbal with me. You see, there's the nest, and down that way is a small village, and then out here is just the fields, grain, and you see there's the nest. It's quite a nice place. But what I wanted to talk about is I made some recordings. It's a week ago, actually a little bit more than a week ago. I went kayaking and it was quite windy. And I brought the action cam. I actually attached it on the kayak. So I made some recordings of that, and I want to show you that. It's just gonna be a short video of the wave kayaking. I don't know if it's an actual sport or anything, but I did this. I was just practicing, you know. It's good if you need to practice how to do kayaking. It's good to do it in the waves, I think, because you need to keep your balance and you need to be awake and keep an eye on the waves and ride them the right way, and so you don't flip over. It was a lot of fun, and some of the waves were kind of big, but here you are. Here's the video I made. Okay, that was wave kayaking on a windy day. I hope you enjoyed that. I know I did. So you guys take care, and remember, life is good. Bye bye.